Every year there's a new headline about how AI is going to automate software engineering and no one will need to write code anymore. But anyone who's shipped real production code knows that software isn't just about typing fast. It's about architecture, debugging, refactoring, dependencies, reviews, and trade-offs. And those skills don't magically vanish because an AI can auto-complete a function. What is changing is how we collaborate with our tools. And the real shift in 2026 isn't about replacing developers, it's about learning how to co-work with AI without breaking your flow. That's where Q Pro in Trae becomes interesting. It's not a chat interface or a command system. It quietly handles the boring, repetitive, environment-related parts so you can stay focused on real engineering. In this video, I'll walk through practical scenarios where Q Pro helps you code faster and cleaner. 1. Code editing with predictive updates. This is the first place most AI tools struggle. They're fast at generating logic, but they don't keep the environment consistent. Q Pro works differently. It predicts your intent during edits and applies suggestions with tab, without switching context or prompting. Auto import and language dependencies. Here I'm working in a new file using C++. Q Pro detects missing dependencies automatically and surfaces an install inline. One click, installed. No scrolling, no searching, no quick fix menus, just continuous workflow. Editing structs/types. Let's say under user, I add a new parameter, like contact. Q detects the pattern and prompts me to update all user types. A couple tabs and the updates are applied cleanly. Q treats edits as system updates, not isolated keystrokes. Completing common logic. Q can suggest patterns like if-else blocks, loops, error handling, or wrappers. Here I call a service in main. Tap once and Q completes the entire error handling block. Same for fetch calls, API setup, or service wrappers. Q handles repetitive scaffolding, so you focus on logic. 2. Smart refactoring and renaming. Refactoring and renaming variables are classic developer pain points, especially across files. Most editors rename locally, but don't surface cross-file dependencies unless you manually invoke a rename. Q Pro detects intent automatically, renaming variables. Say I rename name to username. I just edit inline. Tab accepts the prediction and Q propagates it throughout the file. When I jump to another file where it's used, Q highlights related changes again. One tap, updated across the project. Smart cleanup. Q also handles hygiene tasks like fixing imports, removing unused symbols, and cleaning lint errors, so code stays consistent as you edit, instead of after. 3. Maintaining team best practices. Q Pro isn't just about speed, it's about consistency across a code base. Developers know the pain, you move code around, and suddenly comments, logs, or style conventions don't match. Comments and logs. If I want to add a comment block, Q suggests one inline. Tap, done. Same with debug or error logs. Q matches existing patterns and keeps team conventions aligned. Testing. Testing is another area where developers lose time on boilerplate. Here, I want to test store. Q suggests test cases automatically. I accept and fill in assertions. Q isn't writing your logic, it removes scaffolding overhead. Flow control. Snooze and quiet mode. Sometimes you just want to code quietly without suggestions. Q gives control at the bottom of the IDE. I can toggle Q off completely or snooze it for an hour while I'm deep in a task. When I'm ready for help again, I reactivate. Real developers don't want to chat with their tools constantly. They want assistance when needed and silence when not. Cursor versus Trae. In-place code completion and continuation. When it comes to code completion and continuation, Trae stands out by being proactive in suggesting and extending code, ensuring a smoother workflow. In contrast, Cursor does not offer proactive suggestions, requiring developers to manually complete or extend their code logic. In the example shown, both tools present similar code logic, But Trae goes a step further by intelligently predicting and auto-completing sections of the code without interrupting the flow. This subtle difference can significantly impact coding speed and efficiency. Closing thoughts. So that's a walkthrough of QPro in common workflows. Code editing, smart rename, imports, cleanup, comments, logs, tests, flow control. The key takeaway: QPro doesn't make you stop coding to talk to AI. It doesn't break your flow. It integrates directly into your edits and handles the boring parts so you can focus on real engineering. AI isn't replacing developers anytime soon, but co-working with AI is becoming a core engineering skill. With tools like Trae QPro, the future of software development isn't about switching between commands and tools. It's about a seamless, intuitive experience that keeps you in the zone.